Hello everyone, this is Tarun and today we are going to start our DesignXR Hackathon and this is of 2026 Kickoff ceremony. Okay. So here we have our valuable partners and sponsors. So and you can register until 20th of April. So in this website you can go and check this out.
I am Pikachu, a virtual assistant. I'm here to help you with information and complete tasks. I'm still learning and growing, but I'm always ready to do my best.
Yeah, so you can register from here and so this challenge is for the students, developers and enthusiasts, so who are interested more in XR and AI. So with this hackathon our theme is build the future with XR. So the focus will be on redefining the education and problem solving using XR and AI. Okay, so that is that will be starting from 11th April, that is today, to all the way to 20th of April. You can register and we will see the details later on. And then it is a global online event, so you can participate it from anywhere. And this is organized by IT SQL company and DesignXR. Okay, now, so what is DesignXR? And it is an XR focused immersive platform which empowers students, developers, and create worldwide. So this bridges the gap between immersive technologies and learning. So our focus of our hackathon will be on the real world applications. Okay, and we will have a design first thinking, because see, as Steve Jobs also said that we should not create a like a technology and then try to market it, but actually we should solve a problem and then build the technology around it. Okay, so let's focus on that. design first principle and then move towards the tech later on. Okay? And this is open to all, as already mentioned. And so our focus will be on real world applications. Okay, so because see, we don't want any POC or any gaming, like you can build it, but focus will be on the real world impact. Okay, so those, like many of you already have the experience with XR, but those who don't know, those who are beginners, let me just introduce you about what is XR. And it is an umbrella term for AR, VR, and MR, augmented reality. So this is will be, like it's like overlaying the digital content, okay, on like on on our camera or anything like that. Okay, and in virtual reality, it will be a fully immersive environment. So you are in the an imaginary environment which the developers have created. Okay, and then there is mixed reality, so it's blend between the physical and the digital. Okay, so there you can interact with them. And so the whole concept of these tech is called as XR, that is extended reality. And our focus for this hackathon will be more on education, as I already mentioned, and also commercial or gaming or training. About the hackathon, there will you can participate as solo or up to 5 members. Then so we are getting projects from, we can get projects from education, healthcare, and architecture, or many more. So you can just go and explore where the immersive tech can revolutionize their domain. Okay? Then the 50%, sorry, 25% of the weightage will be given to innovation. Okay, and then top 100 participants will be getting the recognition and certificates. Okay. Now, so there will be, as I said, that our focus for this hackathon will be on, redefining the education, redefining the way we learn, okay? Not just by textbooks, but by actually experiencing the concepts. Okay? So that will be our main goal. And okay, and then there is healthcare, which is most underrated. Okay, like a sector where immersive technologies can actually you know take a lead. Okay, then collaboration tools, you can create that, and you can work on real estate projects, or you can build projects around gaming or AI. So you can build that kind of stuff. And you can also like work on themes like social impact, who are for those who are underserved communities. Okay, then the tool stack we are going to use, like mostly will be on Unity or Unreal Engine, or if you are interested, you can go with SnapAR. And if you are working, and then you will be needed, like various frameworks. So you can use AR Core if you are going for mobile, Android, or ARKit or WebXR. So if you are a beginner and you are just coming up and you are not into the coding, you can go with WebXR. And right now, the Gemini is also launched their uh, XR XR codes, XR blocks, I believe. Okay, so you can check, but you can go and check that out as well, because they are building some like a cool stuff, so that can like, which will be a cross platform, so you can build it for website or mobile or VR headsets. So you can check that out as well. Then you can use your Blender for 3D modeling, and if you are lazy like me, you can use Sketchfab. And then you can use AI APIs, okay, like Gemini or Open AIs. Okay, then so this will be the our timeline. So from 11th of April, we have started this journey, and registration will be closed by April 20th. And so you will have around 20 days to build till 11th of May. And then there will be public voting, and then expert judges will be evaluate your projects. Okay, and then winner will be announced on May 25th. So here are the judging criterias. So our more focus will be on innovation and creativity, then the design and UX. So when I say the UX, so it is not just UI, okay? So it should not be like this crazy UI, but it should also be something which how the user navigate. Okay, so it should be self-explanatory. Okay, like it should not be like like a POC kind of thing where a user is going somewhere and is stuck what to do next. So the environment or the work you are building should you know speak for himself or herself. You get my point? Yeah. Then the technical implementation, how well the concepts you have used, tech concepts you have used, like oops or like performance improvement and all optimization kind of things. Okay, then their impact and use cases, so how well they are actually solving the real problem, so that will be also having a weightage. And then presentation and demo, how well you articulate and you explain your problem and your solution. So here are the prizes. So the winning team will receive 4-day all access passes to AWE USA 2026 for every team member, and the travel expenses are not included here, so you must check that out. And then the next is we have 11 labs, 3-month pro 3-year worth of $298 for each member of the winning team. And then you will also get 3 years of DesignXR premium license, so which I have already shown you in the video. So you can visualize any concept or anything into the XR. Okay, so that is what, and the more details will be shared later. Then you will also get exclusive swags, and your work will be featured on our platform and winner certificate. Then there is for our runner-up 1 and 2, there are 11 labs, obviously subscription, and they are there. The details are in as follows. Okay. Next, are you ready to build? So that is what you are going to do. So go and register the full forms before 20th of April and join our Discord, because all the announcement will be on there only. And remember, this whole event is live on dev post. So just whatever the submission you are doing, you have to do it on the dev post only. Okay. So just share your work and tag us as well. So here are our partners. So AWE, you all know, is one of the world's biggest AI events they host. So that's what they all are about. And then we have 11 Labs. So you all know they are very great at AI enabled text to speech, and now like images and videos, so you can give and check them out as well. Then there is Satata, and which is a wonderful tool which you can use if you are a no code kind of a person, and you can just build a rapid prototype with them. Okay, so more details will be shared later. Okay, then Dhyan AI is one of our mentor partner. And then here we have IT company whose founder is me, and I have been creating this for last around a year or something. And then there is our product, that is DesignXR, and which we are building it.
Future looks like wow. Oh wow. It's like wow. Yeah. Future looks like wow.
Once upon a time in the narrow streets of London.
It's like wow.
Just sharing so much. आमंत्रित कर रहे हैं, मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ। अरे ये कितने अच्छे आदमी हैं।
Call it in now, hit him with the best shot. Bring it in now, burn him with the high. Making moves, making moolah. Bada bing, bada boo, yeah. Get loose, get ready for this, it's all brand new, yeah. Catch a ride to the future. Let me introduce, yeah.
Aye, lad, there's magic in these old bones yet.
Watch out, big world. I'm small, but I'm mighty.
It's coming up right now. It's coming up right now. And it's looking like how? Future looks like wow. And it starts right now. It's like wow.
Hey, can I check the status of my order?
Yes, of course. Your order is due to arrive at around 2 p.m.
Oh wow. And it starts right now. Future looks like wow. Oh wow. And it starts right now.
Let us bring humankind together as one.
Oh wow. And it starts right now. Yeah. Future looks like oh wow.
Okay, so as you know, like 11 Labs is our immersive partner, and the reason behind it is that like we all are like more into the XR domain, and we all create projects. But if there is no immersion, okay, there is no immersiveness in that our project, then it doesn't feel alive. Okay, so that is where 11 Labs kind of like platforms come into the picture, where we can actually make it immersive. Okay, like for example, like if you are into a room and there is a clock on the wall, and you when you move past by it, right, so you feel the 3D audio. Okay, so that kind of immersive experiences you can build. Okay, so that kind of sound you can generate with 11 Labs. And also, like if you are into like you're making with any npc with AI, like or anything, you can also generate their voice audios with them, with text to speech as well. Okay, then as I said, starta and start, right? So this is like an Figma for XR. So more details will be shared on the Discord, so you can check them out as well. Then here are our great judges who are industry experts, and many of are like familiar faces you can see. And so as I like at the starting, I was like trying to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, because there are people around the world, our participants and industry experts who are joining us in this event.
So, hi innovators and creators and future builders. My name is Satya. Yes, Tarun said. And I'm an absolute honor to be part of this DesignXR Hackathon. For years, I have been immersed in the world of XR and AI. At my company, every day I used to interact with different kind of industry leaders, like LSSC, life science and healthcare, energy resource and industries, consumer industry, EPS, government and public sector, and technology, media and telecommunication, financial sectors. So they are not just looking for immersive solutions. They are looking for intuitive and impactful solutions. And let me tell you, the future is not just coming, it's being built, coded, and rendered by people like you. This is not just another hackathon, don't feel like that. So DesignXR is special because it is focuses on critical question, like how can we solve real world problems? So now industry leaders just don't want to showcase their product on virtual space, and when you click on that, you can show that. No, they don't want that. So they want us to tackle their challenges using purpose-driven immersive approach. So I suggest you to use different kind of AI tools and build solutions. I mean, focus on design and use AI tools to build your solution. Your design choices will determine whether your solution is gimmick or a real-world game changer. Just focus on that. I wish you all the best, and I'm incredibly excited to see the future you build. Thank you. Thank you, Tarun.
Thank you, thank you, Satya, and for your kind words, and for our participants. So there are more, like industry experts who have shared our thoughts, and so yeah.
Hello, my name is Jingo. I am the founder of Strata, a web-based spatial design tool. Think about Figma but for XR. I will be one of the judges for DesignXR Hackathon. I am excited to see what you guys create. Please have fun, explore new things, and build cool prototypes.
Thanks, Jingle, and yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Ulrich and I'm really happy to be part of this initiative as judge and mentor. What stands out today, how fast ideas are turning into real-world XR experiences. We see a clear shift from exploration to application. And this is exactly where innovation's happening. I'm very excited to see your ideas and how you bring them to life.
Thank you so much, sir, and for giving us your valuable time.
Hi everyone, I'm Song Kang. I'm thrilled to be joining you as a judge for this year's DesignXR Hackathon. My journey in extended reality has been driven by a passion for the intersection of technology and human experience. My background spans the full spectrum of XR, from crafting intuitive UI and UX for AR and VR environments to managing the marketing and packaging that brings these projects to life. Lately, my focus has been on two projects that lean heavily into narrative. First, for Original Land, a VR experience centered on the art of writing, where we've integrated the Logitech MX to achieve a higher level of tactile precision. Then there's Kilkana, a project that explores the versatility of mixed reality. It features distinct game modes that shift between first and third person point of views, allowing players to engage with the world from multiple perspectives. While they are different technically, both projects share a core DNA, a strong commitment to immersive storytelling. As you dive into your builds, remember that speed to validation is key. For those looking to move fast, I highly recommend using the XR Blocks Gemini Gem agent. It's a fantastic tool for rapid WebXR prototyping, helping you get a proof of concept ready for validation in record time. I can't wait to see the words you create. Good luck.
Thanks, Kong, for your valuable experience.
Hello everyone, DesignXR participants. I'm Anthony Vitillo. You may also know me as the Scarred Ghost, and I'm an AR/VR developer and blogger. So I've been in this field for 12 years, going through a lot of ups and downs. Now we're mostly in a down moment, unluckily, but I faith things will get better. So in these years, I worked on many interesting projects, including full body VR and concerts in virtual reality. I've also won some awards here and there in the process, but especially had a lot of fun. And I also hope that you will have fun during this hackathon, and also that you'll learn a lot of new things. So hackathons are a great moment for learn new things, try things maybe that you always wanted to try but never had the time to do that. Have an occasion to meet new people, make new friends, and having fun. That's one of the most important things. So it's stressful, it can be intense, but you should come out with it and oh, it was worth it. I have new friends, I've learned new things, and maybe I want to do it again. And I hope this will be the experience also for you at DesignXR. So if I want to give you one piece of advice, is trying to find the right compromise between doing something innovative, doing a lot of things, and be very practical. This is something that I've noticed amongst the hackathon winners, among the hackathons where I was a mentor or stuff like that. They were usually able to find the sweet spot between these two things. Because on one side, it's a hackathon. You shouldn't do something like that other 1,000 people already did. You should be crazy. You should be innovative. You should try mixing technologies, AI, XR, 3D printing, multiplayer, and whatever you want. Neural control, maybe, who knows? On the other side, if you try to mix too many things, if you try to ship too many features, you don't have the time to do that. You start stressing out, not sleeping. At the end of the day, you cannot deliver a good experience. And so the judges will not give it a good mark. So you should do something a bit different, a bit new, innovative, that the judges will think, oh, this is something original, not the usual thing. But at the same time, try to be very conscious about the time you have. And so don't try to over-deliver. Just, as a friend of mine said, under-promise, under-deliver. So don't try to ship too many things. Try to ship 1-2 things made very well. That's probably the secret of success during hackathons. So, enough talking. Glad to be part of this journey. Good luck to everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Anthony, for sharing your experience.
Hey everyone, my name is Deepak, and I'm thrilled to be one of your judges for the DesignXR Hackathon. I'm a product and ecosystem leader, and I've spent time in Roblox, Fortnite, and Meta recently on Horizon Worlds. My background includes leading advocacy and really pushing for like XR and UGC platforms to be sort of the premier like creator ecosystems. But my core advice for y'all is you have 30 days to build something awesome. And the first piece of advice I like to always give people is really focus on real world impacts. Like your leaders have been saying, like I think the designs and the prototypes that really work well, you're really solving a use case for something the world needs. And I think that really goes far. Second is really work on your presentation, because sometimes you might have a great prototype but not be expressed in a way that we can hear as judges. So really work on your presentations to show why your design, your prototype will have so much impact in the XR world. And with that, if you guys need anything else, please let us know. I'm just excited to see what you all make. Take care. Thanks.
Thanks, Deepak, for your valuable advice.
Hi everyone, I'm Tanvi. I'm a UX designer at Apple, and I'm really excited to be here and become part of judges team at DesignXR Hackathon this year. I would like to give a little bit of introduction about myself. So over past 6 years, I have been working on designing products that help solve real world problems, especially in the spaces like healthcare and medtech, where designs can directly impact the people's lives. So during that process, I have learned one thing, that great design isn't just about how it looks aesthetically, but how deeply you understand the problem that you're trying to solve. So for this hackathon, I would definitely encourage all of you to focus on clarity of thinking, user empathy, and just have a very simplistic approach, because I believe best ideas, best designs are often not the most complex ones, but the ones that are thoughtful, are well executed, and have a meaningful impact on user who interact with the products. So yeah, I think don't be afraid to experiments, and most importantly, have fun with this entire product building processes, because hackathons are one of the best places to learn, build, collaborate, and you will be definitely surprised by end of the process about how far you have come. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing what you all have created. And so, all the best. Happy building. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanvi.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Hardi, and I'm a data scientist with over 4 years of experience working in both MNCs and startups. I have worked on different kind of projects, from building machine learning systems to creating real-world AI solutions. I'm really excited about this hackathon because it brings together AI, AR, and VR. These technologies are changing how we solve problems and interact with the world. As a judge, I'm looking forward to seeing ideas that are not just technically strong, but also creative, useful, and focused on solving real world problems. Don't hesitate to try new things and think big. That's what hackathons are for. To all the participants, this is a great chance to learn, work together, and show your skills. Make most of it and enjoy the experience. Wishing you all the very best. I'm excited to see what you build. Thank you.
Thank you, Arti, and you will be great helpful to the participants and who are more into the AI.
Hi everyone! So glad to see you here. Sorry I can't participate the ceremony, so I have to record the video. And a short introduction of myself. I'm Ya Wenxiao. Currently, I'm a UX designer in an AI 3D company. And for my past XR experience, I participated in 3 XR hackathons before, including the Reality Hack and also the XRCC. And luckily, I own something like our team were the winners for the Reality Hack, and also we won the best trailer for the XRCC. And I'm so happy to see you here. No matter you are just a really beginner for XR or you already a experienced XR builder, I'm so glad to see you here. I think it's a really good way to participate, to practice your XR skills for the hackathon, and also you can meet new friends, or you want to like do a solo programmer. That's all fine. So I hope you can have fun, enjoy it, and I can't wait to see your projects. And feel free to connect me on LinkedIn. Yes, that's all for now. Bye.
Thanks, ma'am.
Oops. Hello everyone, I'm Ranjan Verma, an XR developer, and I'm super excited to share that I'll be joining the XR Hack as a volunteer judge at the upcoming XR Hackathon hosted by DesignXR. And if you are passionate about AR or MR, this is your very chance to join and build something amazing. So let's shape the future immersive tech together. And I think the best way to predict the future is to invent it. And during the hackathon, these are some points I will be looking for. First, technical innovation and creativity. Second, design and seamless user experience. Third, bold creative vision. Fourth, technical implementation. And fifth, impact and use case. And last but not least, a huge thanks to Tarun Shikwal for this great opportunity. So, best of luck to you all, and I can't wait to see the incredible thing you build.
So Ranjan is more into the Snap AR. So if you are into that, you can go and check him out. He has some great projects out there. And once again, thank you so much for all our judges for giving us time and their valuable experience to our participants, and which they will share later on our hackathon. So yeah, this is our post. You can go and just share to or in your network, on your social media, to reach, so that we can reach to more audience and more participants. And this is completely for free, and I'm really thankful for you to join us in this part of our journey. All the very best for your submissions and to our audience. Thank you so much.